welcome to Shuko's World, and today's video is about my hair. Woohoo. And I am braiding my hair in twist outs, and I'm starting off with already washed hair from scratch, and also I've already combed my hair in the bathroom, so it's easy for me. And that's it. Let's roll on. Let's get into the video. Hello. So the first thing you need to do when you're doing this hairstyle is a simple everyday hairstyle or a work hairstyle. I wear this hairstyle every week. So the first thing you need to do, I know it's a mess right now. It's a bit too much, I know. So the first thing is you need to separate the hair, make a straight line all the way to the back. So what else do we do now? So now we start separating lines going that way, so horizontal lines all the way to the back. So you separate one and then you braid. You put some oil, put some water and braid. So let me show you. Spray some water. I love this part. You see? So the hair is all wet, all over it. You make sure all the strands are really wet. So now I'm going to apply this oil. Can you see it? Yeah. To this part I've just separated. Not too much, just a little bit. And on your skin as well, you just don't put on the hair strands, you put throughout and on the skin. And then I'm going to add the curling definition cream. So you don't put too much, just that much. This is actually too much, but you put on your hair strands all the way from the bottom to the top of the hair. You see, it's becoming curly. So what do we do next? We braid. So you take two parts of the hair, you separate them into two, and then you start twisting the hair just like this. all the way to the end. You see? So when you reach the end, you twist the whole hair. So you twist it like this. Twist, twist, twist all the end and all the hair together so that it doesn't come off. You see? All done. So I'm going to do the next line. I'll show you again, and then I'm going to keep braiding all the way to the back. So now you separate the hair. Just like this. You don't take a big piece, you just take a small piece of hair. Just like this, you see? Very small. I'm looking for a clip. You need loads of clips, 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 clips. Put water. See? And then you add a bit of oil. Not too much, as I said, just a little bit. My glasses are coming off. And then you add the curling cream. Just put this much. That will be enough for the hair. You cut all the hair from the base all the way to the tip of the hair. And then what do you do next? You braid. Yeah, all the way to the tip. You braid it, and then when you get to the tip, you roll the hair, or you twist the hair together around and around, round and round, so that it doesn't untwist. There you are. So I'm going to continue doing this, and you guys can watch part of it. So I'm going to continue all the way to the back. So guys, I'll show you how to wear this hairstyle during the week. When you're bored of this hair, you don't want to wear it anymore, you're just like, I'm done with twist outs, then you can jazz it up. Jazz it up, jazz it up, jazz it up. So stay tuned.